So World Rainforest Day, we Rainforest Partnership, based right here in Austin, Texas, protecting tropical rainforests from here because they should be protected from wherever you are launching World Rainforest Day. And the idea is it's a collaborative effort to get people all over the world to take action, direct action, indirect action, to help protect this really precious resource, because we are going to move to a low carbon economy. The world is already moving there. But while we take time to get there, we still need to protect the forests that are the incredible carbon sinks and they absorb carbon dioxide, do all sorts of amazing work. And so June 22nd, inaugural World Rainforest Day, and so people taking actions use hashtag World Rainforest Day to take actions. WorldRainforestDay.com is where you find out information.